guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name's Nicole, and today's video is a video I've been trying to do for a while, but with just like not good lighting, just prepping for the baby, taking care of Emily, work schedules, I haven't gotten to it as soon as I'd like to. But today's the day. I want to show you guys a closet tour slash closet organization on how I organize and put away Emily's clothes. It is not always like this. Rarely ever is it this clean, but I've been doing laundry this whole weekend and just trying to get everything ready for the baby. So I thought perfect timing to film and show you guys what I do to organize their clothes. And yes, let's get started. So all I've done is open the closet to one side, and I'm going to show you. I have this closet system that me and my sister built a little while ago. I'll link it in the description, and I'll probably show you guys right here or something. It's just it was very inexpensive. It was $100 or less than $100, and we were just able to really utilize the closet space way more. There's shelving, there's the racks, everything, and it's super customizable. You could see back here, you just put these on the wall, and then it comes with all separate pieces, and it's literally just like a giant puzzle. It comes with the hanging rods, and you just put it however you want. And it's just like a giant puzzle. It comes with the shelves, like big ones, little ones, and like I said, big giant puzzle. And then the bar that you normally have across the closet, we just lowered it to under it and used that as well. But well, I guess this is open, so let me start on this side. So I got these at Ross. And I just feel like with kids' rooms, nothing really has to match. So I am going to go get a couple more. They'll probably be a different design, but I feel like, you know, I got 2 of each. So at least it somewhat pulls it together. This I'm just using for now. It's just, I got her shampoo and stuff and it came in that. But yeah, so I'll show you more detail in just a second, but I'm just giving you a little overview of this side. I actually at Lowe's, where I got the closet system, you can buy more pieces for the closet if you need to. And I think what I'm gonna do is because just for right now I just put the extra hangers right here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the shelves, all of these shelves, a little, oops, excuse me, I'm gonna move them all a little more up, because you see how there's like big gaps. I'm gonna move them all a little more up and then put another shelf right here. But when, I don't know. So let me just show you, I guess, how, like, whose is whose, because I'm gonna have another girl soon, if you didn't know. So what I did was, since Emily's a little taller, I put all Emily's shirts, dresses, yeah, like shirts and dresses, stuff you hang, is all the way across the bottom. And I have everything color coordinated, and it just goes all the way across. Emily's stuff goes all the way across. And then on this second level, I put, it's just a hanging rod. On the second level, that is baby sister's clothes, like stuff that gets hung. Baby sister's clothes right here. And on the very top rod right here, it's just half, you guys, because I have a shelf over here. But on the top, I have jackets, Emily's jackets. So big puffers, everything, just jackets. And I try to keep everything color coordinated. The baby's clothes was coordinated, but then as we did a little shopping, I just put all the new stuff together. And this is just all Emmy's old clothes. And look, you guys, I have so many boxes. I have like 9 of these. there's like some in the hall still. I have like 9 of those of Emily's old clothes. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to do some type of like give it away, donate it or something, because I already know we're gonna just keep buying clothes for the new baby too. But that's this side of the closet. We put a shelf across the top like normal, like you see normally in closets. And I was gonna put those boxes, these boxes up there, but it can't fit. So I don't know, we're probably just gonna put like backpacks and just like random stuff for them. But yeah, so that's this side of the closet. Emily's clothes goes all the way across the bottom. Baby's clothes, Emily's jackets. So for this side, it's the shelving side. And then, like I said, I got these at Ross, and they're so inexpensive. They're only like, I think the smallest size is $3, $4, and then they have a bigger size for like $5. It like just goes up $1 each size. And I'm gonna get a couple more of them because I feel like it's the cutest way to put their clothes away. Because if you just stack the clothes on the shelves, it falls. Like as you pull it and everything, it'll just fall. And then this right here, I didn't originally plan to use this, but it was just, I had my makeup in it, and I decided to move my makeup elsewhere, so I didn't know what to do with it. And I was folding socks, and I was like, oh my gosh, I could put baby socks, like socks and then like diaper covers, things like that in here. And that's what I did for Emily. So this is a swimsuit. So I have socks for Emily, and then like her underwear, and then like the shorts you put under dresses. I just put it in there, and I was like, oh, perfect. Like, it's functional. Right here is just the, this is an outfit my sister bought for the baby. She wants me to pack it in my hospital bag for like baby going home outfit. And then it's just like the cute pajama onesies. I didn't really know where to put them, so I just put them right there. And then this is Emmy's swimsuit. And then in here in the smaller totes right here, I have let me put this down. I just folded onesies. They're just the baby size, newborn size onesies. Yeah, these are all newborn size. And then right here, it's like the 0 to 3, and they're just all the newborn. They're all for the little, like for little sister. And I just thought, like this, you guys, if I just stacked it, they're just gonna keep falling, tipping over. If I just put it on the shelves, I feel like they would have just kept falling. And as I was putting stuff away, I realized, oh my gosh, I could just put them like this and it would stay neat. So there's that, and then they're so small, I just stacked them like that. And then I could like stack 2 more or just whatever. And then these, they're not gonna be here permanently. Like I said, as I get more of these, I'll just take some stuff out. But these are the, like, the baby blankets, like the little swaddle blankets. We bought 4 of them for when the baby gets here. So I just put them here for now, just to keep them out of the way. But yeah. So on this rack, I have Emmy's pants. So this one is just full of leggings. I just folded all her leggings and put them there. Now it's easy to grab, easy to find. And as long as I'm careful, they're not gonna spill out everywhere or tip over when I am looking. And this side I put like sweats and denim right there. So yeah, I wanna get another one of those, put it there. Probably, yeah, I just need to get a couple more because I need some for that top shelf. And then this is easy, I feel like. Oh, sorry you guys, I'm out of breath. This makes it easy to keep changing up the organization, I feel like. So I have this in here for now, but like I said, when I go get more, they'll go. As I get more, I'll change it. So here I just have Emily's shorts because we have crazy weather right now, and some days it's hot, some days it's not. So here's shorts, here's some tank tops, and these are like her workout shorts, like her sportswear shorts. So when I finally do go buy more of those totes, I will move them because I don't like how it looks, you guys. Like, I don't like how that looks. I'd rather have it be all this kind of style. And then right here is just her skirts. I didn't really know what to do with them, but yeah. So that's an overview of the closet. I want to add a shelf here. So yeah, as I was saying, oh, hi baby. You want to come say hi? Oh. Well, hi. We're just showing them your closet. Do you like your closet? I find you in your closet. So that is how I organize Emily's closet. I find that most people feel like just because they have a small closet or something, they don't have enough space. But I was thinking, okay, because we have another bedroom that Juan's gonna be using, not like for his, it's like his room, but it's not, we don't have separate rooms, but there's another closet that we thought we would be using for Emily, and then this closet for the baby. And I just didn't want to mix everything everywhere yet, because I think I want them to share a room for a while. So like thinking about it, I was like, oh crap, so we're gonna have to buy more dressers and this and that. And I just don't like when rooms have too much furniture in them. So I was like, what can I do to fix this? And then I remembered at my parents' old house, I redid my closet, and they literally have closet kits. Okay, the wood ones are quite expensive. They're like $300 and over, but you can get the wire. I mean, no, don't touch, baby. You can get wire kits, and it's just it's exactly this style where it's just like this. The wire, that's what they call wire kits. Hey, you can get wire kits for Emily's was less than 100 for this closet, you guys. So hey, so customizable, really easy to install. You can go buy extra parts that aren't included in the kits, but they're from the same brand. These are Rubbermaid, I believe. And like I said, me and my sister installed it. We did it ourselves. But yeah, it takes a little bit of time because you're trying to figure out exactly how you want to lay it out, but the actual putting it together is not hard. And then like I said, her closet, it used to just have the regular closets. You know how they just have the shelf on top and then the bar, and that was it. And now look at how much can go in her closet. So not sponsored, wish it was. I just found this really helpful, and I thought it would be awesome to share with parents, especially parents on a budget, and like parents with little space and you're on a budget. I thought this video would be perfect. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go and subscribe to my channel. I try to upload at least once a week. And yeah, leave comments below on any other videos you'd like to see, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.